Hello everyone, in this video we'll be going over this SAT practice problem. And the problem is the equation 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 divided by ax minus 2 is equal to negative 8x minus 3 minus 53 over ax minus 2 is true for all values of x is not equal to 2 over a where a is constant. What is the value of a? So firstly, let's set up this formula that's in our problem here, and let's set it up how we normally would. So when you're given a long division problem like this, we would set it up like ax minus 2 divided, 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 divided by ax minus 2. And this is just how you would normally set up a long division problem like this. But instead of solving for our final answer, we're given the final answer, and that is minus 8x minus 3 with a remainder of 53. Now, this problem is relatively simple just because we don't need to solve this problem out entirely. We can just use the first number in the problem. And what I mean by that is we can just use this 24 and the negative 8. So we can look for what value of a, what value of 24 divided by a would result in negative 8. And that would be negative 3, because just simply put 24 divided by negative 3 is equal to negative 8. And that's equal to our value up top here. So if we were to sub in negative 3 for a, so we have minus 3x minus 2 divided by 24x squared plus 25x minus 47. Let's see if we get negative 8x minus 3 minus 53 over negative 3x minus 2. So first, how many negative 3x's can go into negative 24? We'll just put negative 8 and then x to get that squared. So that means we have positive, and then we just, of course, have the negative here. 24x squared plus 16x. So this would result in, then we would have to do 25 minus 16 because of that negative outside. So we get 9x minus 47. And then we would just do minus 3. So that means it would result in 9x, because negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to 9x. And then negative 3 times negative 2 would be plus 6. And then we always have that negative on the outside here. And then we would get minus 47 minus 6, which would just be minus 53. And that would result in our final answer of negative 8x minus 3 minus 53 over negative 3x minus 2. And that checks out because that goes back to our final solution. So we know the answer is negative 3. And just to recap, we were immediately able to solve this by just using the first digit. We didn't actually have to solve this out entirely. And just by using the first digit, we just found in what way does 24 relate to negative 8, and that would be 24 divided by negative 3 would result in negative 8. So we knew that our answer is negative 3.